The future of electric just became approachable. 320 miles of range and flagship tech in a city-sized package. This is the North American debut of the 2027 Kia EV3. Live from the New York International Auto Show, Kia has officially brought its global sensation to America. Think of the EV3 as the right-sized electric SUV. All the presence of the award-winning EV9 distilled into a nimble, subcompact footprint. The opposites' united design is on full display, with the signature star map LED lighting and a sophisticated boxy silhouette that achieves a remarkably slippery 0.26 drag coefficient. For the US market, Kia is even introducing an exclusive Nightfall appearance package, draping the EV3 in gloss black trim for a more serious urban character. Inside, the EV3 proves that small can still be spacious. The cabin is a masterclass in sustainable luxury, featuring a panoramic display system that spans nearly 30 inches. This includes dual 12.3-inch screens and a dedicated 5-inch climate panel, all running the lightning-fast CCNC operating system with standard wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. But it's the clever touches that set it apart. An open center console with a sliding table, a 12-inch head-up display, and rear seats that recline up to 40 degrees. Whether you're charging or waiting for friends, the EV3 is designed to be a living space, not just a driver's seat. Built on the 400-volt E-GMP platform, the EV3 is a range monster. The long-range 81.4 kilowatt-hour battery delivers a Kia estimated 320 miles on a single charge. Even the entry-level light trim offers a robust 220 miles. When it's time to plug in, the EV3 is ready for America's infrastructure with a native NACS port. You can surge from 10 to 80% in about 31 minutes. And with vehicle-to-load capability, your car becomes a giant mobile power bank, ready to run your laptop, camping gear, or coffee maker anywhere the road takes you. Performance hasn't been forgotten. While the front drive models offer smooth efficiency, the dual-motor EAWD variants pump out 261 horsepower. For those who want more, the top-tier EV3 GT delivers a punchy 288 horsepower and a spirited driving mode with virtual gear shifts. With up to 27 standard driver assistance features, including hands-on detection and remote smart parking, the EV3 as safe as it is smart. The 2027 Kia EV3, arriving late 2026. It's the electric transition you've been waiting for. Kia, movement that inspires.